What's up guys, my Call of Duty here. Hey, I'm doing an unboxing of the new Google Wi-Fi. Actually, it's not that new, it's about a year or two old. But I've been having a lot of connecting issues with the current router I have, which is Netgear. I'm pretty over Netgear. Netgear has been horrible, and I spent about 400 bucks on the router, and it just drops connectivity all the damn time. So I decided to give this Google Wi-Fi a try. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, and yeah, so this is the video of the unboxing, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's see what's in this guy. The box is actually pretty nice. A little slip-on cover with the advertisements on it. Box is pretty sturdy. Let's go ahead and cut this here. I think my light just went off. Hold on one second here. Alright, so I had a little bit of lighting issue. Lights went out on me. Anyways, I'm back. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the box. Oh, that's right, I already cut it. This is how it comes. 3 Wi-Fi stations. You have your power, Ethernet, and then another Ethernet cable to go to one of your computers or router or switch that you want to connect to. And each one seems like it has that. It looks like these go on here a special way. There we go. Yeah, so each one has that. Even has the RF code there, so you can set it up. It's actually pretty nice. This box is really, really nice. I might have to keep this, use it for something. Very thick, very nicely made. Connects into here like with a little slot. Overall, not a bad little box. Alright, so let's take these out of here. There's 3 there. See what else is in the box here. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. And it comes in now little compartments here. This here is the Let's Get Started. Shows you how to connect them and use the app to get it set up. I'll put this to the side. And then looks like you have 3 different power cables and Ethernet cords in here. Go ahead and take these out. The Ethernet is very nicely made. The very flat, easier to staple them and get them all lined up if you have a little wire issues or you want to make it all nice and clean. That's pretty nice. You got your power. The only thing I do see with this power cord is it looks like it's only a couple, like maybe 12 feet long or 6 feet. Let me see here what it says. Not really quite sure how many feet it is. But if you have to run a little bit of a distance, that doesn't look very long. It looks to me about 12 foot. That could be an issue, it could not be an issue, depending on where you got to run it to. And then, so each one of these have lights on the front. Let you know if it's connected, not connected, if there's data being traveled through it. Right here is push the button, not push the button, but a reset button if you need to reset it. So that's everything that comes in the box. guys, so that's the unboxing of the Google Wi-Fi. I'm going to be doing other videos on these about port forwarding, connectivity issues, if we have issues like I've had on the Nighthawk. The Nighthawk, like I said, is very temperamental. I've had where it connects, disconnects, connects, disconnects, and it seems like it happens all the damn time. It's driving me and my family bonkers. But yeah, our whole house, like I was saying, runs on the internet with Alexa, the Ecobee thermostat, our iPhones, our iPad, the MacBook Pro. The router runs everything. So I'll be doing some speed tests on it, doing a whole bunch of different videos on everything that has to do with the Google Wi-Fi. Make sure you stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the new setup. And also the new camera. I'm still working out the new camera. I got the T7II and also the T7 III, whatever it is. I got both of them. One of them is the lower end one, which was a couple years ago or whatever. But the quality of it, let me know what you think. I'm trying to improve more and get better on doing videos for you guys. So like I said, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.